Hey guys, Sue's here. So normally you guys would be getting a what's for dinner video today, keto edition. If you're not getting that and you're seeing this instead, it is because a hurricane has hit us and we are without power. If we do have a cell phone service, I will try to update on Instagram, even though those of you who follow me know that I suck at Instagram. I suck at other forms of social media pretty much besides YouTube. So, but I did have 4 really yummy meals planned for the week, and I get to cook maybe one of those so far, and I just don't know what's gonna happen. I know we're probably gonna lose electricity, and that even if I'm able to film the cooking videos, that I won't be able to edit and upload definitely, and who knows how long that would be before internet service and stuff would be restored. So I'm recording this just in case and uploading it ahead of time, just so I don't break my streak and so you guys kind of know what's going on. So if you're seeing this for dinner this week, we are having, keto-wise, some Slim Jims, lots of Quest bars, lots of pork skins. My husband, who's not strict keto, will be having peanuts. Of course, the girls will be having your regular hurricane ravioli, and they'll be having fruits, and they'll be having muffins, and they'll be having all of these great kids organic sweet things they will be having. I will be having none of that. I've got canned tuna, I've got canned chicken. You know, we won't really have to cut into any of that because we're not evacuating this year. So I have a deep freezer full of meat. We have 2 cans full of propane and a grill, and as soon as the storm is over, we will get out there and start grilling and cooking up regular food and maybe try to film it, but I just know we won't be able to edit and upload. So keep your thoughts with us, guys. If you're seeing this, hopefully you won't have to see this, but I am gonna just go ahead and edit this real quick and upload it just in case, so that if we don't have power or electricity, I can just hit go live on it. All right, guys, till next time, where we'll hopefully have a regular scheduled what's for dinner Sunday with Suze. See you later. Bye.